Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I've been meaning to deal with this for a while. Today is the day. I don't think I need to do any research for this video. I'm gonna treat it like I did with the rose bushes. Eventually use this to cut around the root bulb. But first, let's trim it back a little bit. Okay, so the smaller ones around this size, pretty easy to do with the single hand, but once they start getting to that size, I had to use a bigger one. Let's keep going. Interesting development. So this is going into the neighbor's yard, but not by too much. So my plan now is to cut everything flush on my side, and maybe we can go from underneath the fence. It's definitely stuck under the fence, and I think that's a pretty good root system down there. I'm pretty determined to get this out, so let's start removing a couple of these wood panelings. I might be giving up soon. I bent one of these and broke another one. Luckily, they are pretty inexpensive and not too sad about it, but I did get two pretty clean cuts on this root and that root. Gonna try to dig and see if I could leverage it out. I'm going to remove the ones on the side just to give myself a little bit more space to work and see if we could cut around it. We're making a little progress. I even try to hit it with a sledgehammer. I cut down here and trying to wedge to see if I could get it to break. It is moving a little bit, but the battery is out, so let's charge it and wait for that. Finally, all I needed was a new blade, and eventually I did cut through the root here. I don't feel that bad throwing away the two old ones. Video 274 done.